Hi everybody, my name is Chris. Welcome to the channel. If you like tech reviews, first impressions, lifestyle, and vlogs, make sure you show your support by clicking that red subscribe button down below. Today we're talking about Apple products again. So today we're talking about the Apple Watch. It's the Apple Watch SE. This video I'm going to show you the unboxing, how it comes, how much it costs, and in an update video I'll give you my full review on how it wears on my wrist and how I feel, how comfortable it is, and how long it lasts with the battery. So if you do want to see the full review down the road, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you click the bell icon to be notified when the new videos come out on the channel. Okay, let's look at the presentation. So when you get an Apple presentation with the watch, it comes in a white box like this, and in the inside you see all the cool stuff like this. It shows you all the watches, bands, and the one I got runs for about $279 for the SE model, and they do have a cheap one for $199. That's a lower model, but this one here you can customize any of them. So I got mine customized, and it came, I wanted to get the Unity Black. So that one there, the Unity band, is pretty much one for Black History Month, or to support the black culture and racism and stuff like that. So it's really nice. Apple does understand that the world has problems and they want to help out, and the money you buy a band for, they donate a portion of that to help out the world. So I really do appreciate that from the House of Apple. But what comes in there is you get the watch itself, which comes really small. It comes in a 40 millimeter, and it comes in a 44 millimeter. So you can customize the 40 or the 44. Definitely check out the size, which one you prefer better. Now, it comes with the inside, has a little dongle where you can charge it. It didn't take that long to charge it. It had some juice in it, so you just put it to the back and it shows you the percentage that it's at. So it's pretty good thing to be able to look at it and see how much battery you have to fully charge it. When it's done charging, all you do is look at the watch and it'll say fully charged or whatever. You'll know it's at 100%, which is a good thing. The presentation is beautiful with the box and the stuff you get inside, little paperwork. And the wristband itself is really nice to customize it. So they have different sizes from 1 to 12. Mine is actually an 8. I have mine customized. They made it in the back. So they have a little thing that they print out and they put it around your wrist to measure your size, how it's going to fit on your watch, the Apple Watch. Really cool. It takes about less than 5 minutes, and they go in the back, they customize. It took me about, I would say, 20 minutes to do the whole process, from measuring my wrist to customize it in the back, bring it out, try it on, make sure it fits, snug fit, and it was good to go. I didn't set it up there because the guy said, hey, do you want to help you set it up, or you want to do it at home? I said, let me do it at home. It only took a couple seconds to activate my phone to my watch and activate the watch. It was really easy. I really don't have a lot of negative in the fact of going there and trying to watch out. They were really nice and friendly, told me which stuff I need for a watch that's very easy to have and what I need myself in a watch. So they weren't trying to sell me a watch I didn't want, which is really awesome. I think the people at Apple are just amazing people. They're really nice. They take their time with you, and they're not trying to sell you something that you don't want. And I use my Apple credit card, which I do have, which I'll do an update video on how my Apple card works, or a first impression. And I got about $8.40-something back for buying the Apple Watch SE, which is cool. So I got $8.47 and change for cash back. I got 3% cash back, so I easily put that back in my pocket, which is awesome. And I use that towards making payments down the road for my Apple credit card. But smooth process. I'm happy with my my Apple Watch. So far, testing it out, it's very nice, very easy. It's cool to have a watch on your wrist. You can check your updates for sports, Facebook, Instagram, so on and so forth. Make phone calls, text. It's pretty cool technology. I never had a smartwatch, so this is something of the future, I know. So I'm trying to figure it out. But so far, I do enjoy it. And I think it's something you guys should definitely check out. If you're in the market for a new watch, I mean, heck, try it out. It's even good for working out in the gym. I want to try to work out more. It tracks your calories, your movements, your steps, and your heart rate. It's pretty cool. I think it's something every guy or girl should definitely check out. If you're trying to stay fit and you like Apple products and you want to wear a watch, but you want to do a little fancier than your regular watches at the store, definitely check out the Apple products. I'll leave the website down below and how to go about customizing it, ordering it, or going to a local Apple store. Thank you guys for watching another video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to show your support by clicking that red subscribe button down below. Make sure you like the video if you like this type of content, and click the bell icon so we notify when I upload new videos on this channel. You'll be first in line to see it. Hope everybody be safe in the world, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.